James from the Woodlands has a question about water filters.
Because he's replacing his 20-year-old tank water heater with a tankless one. And James writes, the plumber suggests a anti-scale system. He says we don't need no fancy full water softener system because this will minimize scale buildup on our faucets. He says we're in the Woodlands and we have noticed a lot of scale buildup in our faucets. And so Tom James wants to know, are these systems effective?
No, it's based on the old magnets.
Oh, no.
Yeah, and these are probably one that plugs in, so it's more magnetized. The systems don't work unless the water's always moving. So the only way to avoid this, and I know everybody's coming out with new gadgets. Some even has oranges in it. I mean, there's all kinds of things.
The
citrus ones, right?
Yeah.
You got to have a water softener. That's what's going to be your answer. So you don't need a full-blown big giant one, just a water softener for your house. You don't have to make it something that it's not.
I've seen those citrus ones demonstrated on TV.
Yeah,
and they're real. And they're, well, no, actually, I think it was on this old house. And it was impressive to see how it worked, but it's still not a water softener.
The only way to soften water is to pull out the hardness.
And the only way you do that is using salt.
Or potassium, but that's a salt too, though.
Yes, it is. There you go. Yes, home improvement.
Salt substitute.
Home improvement and chemistry. Yes. We're here for you, kids. And your question can be here, too, if you just visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom form and send us your question. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.